roll it into your dough in the dry stage.
This is the Culinary Arts Management Program, Entry Career Center. It's a 2-year program to learn the foundations of restaurant management and culinary arts. One of the things you're gonna do the rest of your life is eat. So we're gonna teach you how to cook. We're gonna teach you how to even go to the grocery store so that you can buy things. It's all these things that also apply to going into like work-based learning. So we're teaching them the skills to go work at any restaurant or any bakery in Greenville County.
My favorite part of this class is coming in here and baking. Career-wise, it preps you because you have access to these skills and honing them. And once you start working in a place like it, you already have the skills that you need.
We also are a dual credit program with Greenville Technical College. So in their first year, they get their ServSafe Manager exam out of the way. When they pass that, they get 3 credits at Greenville Tech, the Culinary Institute of the Carolinas. If they go through the whole program, pass their 2 national exams, work in the industry, they can get up to 9 more credits at Greenville Tech. They are college and career ready after the first year here. Second year here, they are career ready. They could work at any of the top restaurants in town.